Today's featured car of the day is a 1968 Pontiac GTO hardtop with the 400 cubic inch engine. It also has the Hurst dual gate shifter, the his and her shifter, which is nice. And this one was for sale at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. It's since been sold. But it was a good looking car. It was very difficult to film it because it was a real busy night at the cruise. And my footage isn't the greatest, which you'll see here. It was in the Verdoro green, the dark green color that Pontiac had in '68, which was a good color for it. And it was also the Motor Trend's Car of the Year for 1968. And that was the first year for the second generation of the GTO, which went through 1972. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1968 GTO two-door hardtop with the 400 cubic inch engine and a turbo 400 automatic transmission with the Hurst his and her shifter, the dual gate shifter, that I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.